everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a lovely day. So today I am doing a new video and it is my monthly unboxings video. So basically I'm going to do this video every single month and it is going to be unboxing all my beauty boxes that I have got for that month. So this month is March and I have got 3 boxes that I want to show you. So I have got the Birchbox one. I've got a new one that I've not tried before and it is the Roccabox, I think that's how you say it. It looks quite good, so I'm looking forward to seeing what's in that one. And another new one for this month that I've not subscribed to before is Lookfantastic as well. So this one feels really heavy, so I'm really excited to see what's in this one. Okay, so the first box that I'm going to unbox is the Birchbox. I did get this box quite a few years ago and I wasn't too keen on it. I wasn't very impressed on the products that you used to get inside, but I started up again because I wanted to see if it had changed at all, and so far I have really been loving it. I've really been enjoying it. This month is a You Go Girl box. So basically a lot of the subscription boxes this month kind of have this theme. It's a very kind of empowering women theme, which is really brilliant. Obviously March is International Women's Day, so it's to coincide with that, and I absolutely love these boxes because they're kind of like a drawer design, which means you can reuse them, and I do love to keep my boxes, especially if they're really pretty. So in this month's Birchbox there are 5 products and then kind of like a very small sample product. So I'm going to kickstart with this. This is the Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. Now there was 2 options of this and you were able to pick which one you wanted, which is really cool because you can kind of customize what you would like a little bit. I don't really own any brightening face masks. I own a lot of masks, but not a brightening one, so I thought I would give this one a go and see what it was like. I do like trying out new face masks, so I'm looking forward to trying that one. Next is a product by the Beauty Crop. I've not really heard of them before, but it also says Birchbox. I'm presuming it's kind of like a collaboration between the 2 brands, and this is a bronzer compact in Sardinia Sand. So I've actually took it out of the box and it is so pretty. It comes in this packaging which is kind of like holographic. It's really gorgeous, and I stuck my nail right through this colour a little bit ago when I was having a look, but it's a really pretty shade. It's very subtle. It's kind of a very light bronzer, which I do like because sometimes you don't want a bronzer that's too overpowering or too dark, so this will also suit a lot of complexions as well, so I'm looking forward to trying that one out. I do use bronzers a lot, so it'll be really handy to have that product. There is another compact as well this month, and this is the Essence Moonlighter Cushion. I've never really heard of this brand before. I don't really use highlighters that much. If I do use them, I tend to go for more like a powder highlighter. So this is quite interesting. I'm definitely going to give it a go. The compact's lovely. It has a little mirror up here in the top, and then you get your cushion applicator, and then you have to click it open, and then you've got the product inside here. The colour is really pretty. It's kind of like a rose goldy highlighter shade. It's very subtle though, so I've just popped them on my hand there and you literally can't see it. Like, it's really subtle. That is just using my finger, so I'll be quite intrigued to see what it's like if I use the applicator and kind of do it properly. So yeah, that's quite an interesting product for this month. I'm not sure what I really think about that one. The next product is a soothing balm. Okay, so it's for your hair. So this is a hair care soothing balm. It says soothes frizzy and woolly hair. I have very frizzy hair. I did put that on my little quiz that you have to fill out when you subscribe to the box, so that's probably why I've got this product. I've not heard of this company before, but I'm quite intrigued to see what this will be like when I use it on my hair. It's a good little handy product to have, and it's a good little travel size as well, so it's great for sticking it in your bag, which is always really helpful. And the next product is a facial sponge. It's a charcoal one. It's by a company called Daily Concepts, which I have actually tried some of their products before and usually quite good. I think this is one of those kind of sponges that has the product built into it. So yeah, that'll be quite interesting with charcoal in there. It says it exfoliates and detoxes and balances the skin. I do love a skincare product, and I've not tried this before, so that will be quite intriguing to kind of see how that one works. And then the last product in the Birchbox is kind of the little sample thing. I think this is more like a bonus sort of product, and it is just the Calvin Klein Woman's Scent. It's a little sample scent, so that's supposed to be like one of their new perfumes that they've got out maybe. I've not heard of this one before. I quite like these little sample perfumes because I just stick them in my handbag and they're quite helpful to have. Right, so the next box that I'm going to unbox is the Roccabox. So as I said, this is a new one that I've not had before. I'm quite intrigued to see what it would be like. Packaging comes in this very pretty box, but it's not kind of a reusable box. Most of the other subscription boxes come in their boxes inside a kind of cardboard box, so you have to throw away the packaging and then you have your box. This is a lot more kind of environmentally friendly because when you open it up, your products are just in there. So you've only got one box, so it's not lots and lots of packaging, which is really cool. I do like that. So when you open it up, it comes like this. It looks absolutely lovely, and you get your little sheet that tells you what your products are, which is always really helpful. Okay, so these are all of our products. Let's look in there. It looks pretty cool. I'm quite intrigued. So the first one that's caught my eye is this. This is a Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick. I love these. I actually have a few. I already have this one. This is Girlfriend. I think I got it in another box, maybe in Glossy Box. I can't remember where I got it now. So I'm not going to swatch it because I do actually have this. I'm going to give this one to a friend. But it's a beautiful kind of nude shade, and these lipsticks are gorgeous. And to get a Huda Beauty product is pretty cool. I really like that. So far, this box is good. I'm liking it. Next product is, oh, I'm not really sure what this is. This is a facial detox purifying recovery mask, and it is by Mud Masky. I've definitely had some of these products in boxes before, but not this one. I love face masks, so yeah, this is right up my avenue. So yeah, really looking forward to trying that one. And I quite like these smaller face masks if you're going away for a weekend and you want to take one with you. They're quite travel friendly, which is always just really good. Okay, so the next product is kind of single-use sachet product, and it is by Beauty Sheet. I think that's what it's called. It's called the Perfect Fee. Basically, it's kind of like a wipe for your intimate areas. I guess that's the best way to describe it. They are quite handy to have sometimes. I always have some in my handbag, especially if it's like the time of the month or anything like that. They're just quite good to have. And I've not heard of this company before, so yeah, looking forward to seeing what this one is like. And it's quite handy that it's in the little individual packets, so I don't know if they sell them like that or if this is just because it's kind of a sample one, and normally they would come in a bigger packet, like a face wipe packet. But yeah, so that will be quite intriguing to find out a little bit more about this company. There is another kind of sampling product as well in this box, and it is a tea. This is the vitamin tea, a cleansing tea. I don't really drink tea. It says it's apple and blackcurrant. So it's not really my thing, but I'll probably give this to my mum because she just drinks tea non-stop. So far in this box there's been quite a mix of products. There's been kind of skincare and makeup, so there's all sorts in here that I really like that it's kind of got bits of everything. The next one is hair stuff, and this is some hair bands by Pop Band. I've definitely had these before, not the same ones. They're really handy, and these are in like silver and grey colours, so they're quite pretty as well. So they will definitely get used. I use them all the time. Love that product. Right, so this next one is another kind of smaller product. It is a 5ml and it is by This Works. This is a Stress Check roll-on. Now I really like these aromatherapy kind of products. I use the sleep ones a lot. I also use kind of calming ones when I'm travelling like on planes and things like that, just to kind of calm me down a little bit because I'm not keen. But this is a stress one. Could be very helpful. I think it's a roll-on one, so you just like roll it onto your pressure points. It smells really nice. Oh, that is really calming and relaxing. I love that. That's such a brilliant product. Quite handy to have, especially if you've got like exams and things coming up at school. Yeah, try this out. It looks like a brilliant product. And the last one in the box is this. Now, this is, I'm presuming it's a hair product. Yep, it's a thickening hair and scalp mask. And it says Intense, and it's by a company called Grow Gorgeous. Again, this is a company I've never heard of, and that's probably one of the main reasons that I love subscription boxes, because you find all kinds of products that you've never tried before and you would never try normally because you wouldn't know about them. So I love that. This next box is probably the one I am most excited about, and it is the Lookfantastic box. So this is my first box from Lookfantastic. I've wanted to try them for ages and I just kind of never have. I don't know why, but this one weighs a ton. It weighs so heavy. So inside, we that's probably why it's heavy. We have got a copy of the Elle magazine. So that's quite a cool little thing to pop in there, because if you're having a little relaxation time or a bit of me time, you can read your magazine, which is always good. And I'm assuming that's why the box was so heavy. You also get a little booklet that just tells you about all of the products and what they've got coming up, which I always love to kind of have a little read through. I find them quite interesting. So the first product that we have got in our Lookfantastic box is this. This is by Referral, and it is a soothing hand balm. I love this company. I always really like their products. You get them quite a lot in beauty boxes, but they're always really good. Oh, this smells really nice. So it's like a hand cream, and it smells so pretty. Really, really like that. That is going straight on my bedside table. Right, so our next product is by a company called Smart, is that what it's called? Or Madeira Organic Skincare Smart Anti-Pollution Charcoal and Mud Repair Mask. Okay, again, this is a company I've not heard of before, definitely never used anything. It's quite small actually in here, it's a lot smaller than the packaging. So this is just a face mask again that will help to detoxify and helps against pollution. So really cool, that would be good to try out. The next skincare one is by a company that I absolutely adore. Now, I really can't say the name of this, so apologies. I think it's a Morovicia? I haven't got a clue how you say that. Or Budapest. Anyhow, I will tag it below, but this is such an amazing skincare brand. I've used quite a lot of their products before. I really, really love them. Are just amazing, amazing products. But I've not tried this one before. This is a cleansing foam, so that could be quite interesting. What I love about these are they're not kind of like small sample sizes. They're more of kind of quite a large travel size, which is really handy if you're going away. It's a great way to be able to try out the products as well. Okay, this box is so good. There are some amazing brands in here, and this is one by The Ordinary. Now, I love this brand so much. They do such amazing kind of serums and facial oils. Love, love, love them. But this is one I've not tried before, and it's a hyaluronic acid 2% plus a BH. It's a hydration serum. Yeah, this looks really, really good. What's amazing about this product as well, it is a full size, so you're getting a lot of product to try out, which is absolutely incredible. It doesn't really say much more about it on the packaging. It just tells you how to apply it, and it says it supports hydration and repair, so it's definitely good for if you've got quite dry skin. Right, so the next product is a makeup product, and this is by Morphe. This is a highlighter. There seems to be quite a lot of highlighters going on in the boxes this month. It's quite cool because I don't really own very many, and it's kind of coming up for summer, and I do like highlighters at the summertime, so I'm looking forward to trying them out. But this one looks beautiful. It says it's in the shade Spark. It looks like another kind of rose goldy colour, which is definitely the highlighter colours that I really like. Oh, this one is so much more pigmented than the other one. It is such pretty. It's not going to pick up on my camera, but it is a really gorgeous shade, and that will look lovely in the summer, especially if you've got a tan. So the last product in the Lookfantastic box is this by a company called EOS. I think that's how you say their name. This is a lip balm. I've used these before and I absolutely love them. They are such a good product. The packaging is gorgeous as well. It's this lovely kind of purple and lilac colour. You twist the top off, and then the lip balm is underneath. And this one is in Blackberry Nectar. It's a really kind of gorgeous fruity blackberry scent. It just smells like berries. It is really, really nice, and they are really good lip balms. Okay, so that is all my unboxings for this month. I really enjoyed doing this video. It is something a little bit different for me. These boxes were amazing this month, but my favourite one was definitely the Lookfantastic box. Like I said, I've not had this one before, so I'm quite intrigued to see if it'll be kind of the same standard next month or what the products will be like, so I can compare it a little bit. But this month I absolutely love this box, so yeah, highly recommend that. But thank you very much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please give me a little thumbs up, and if you'd like to see some more unboxings, let me know down in the comments box what you'd like to see. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!